Okay, check out this train. How often do you see trains that look like this?
Okay, we got to go over 2 one-lane bridges.
She didn't like the little roads.
Very narrow.
And so, like...
If you didn't like it, then I'm really going to be in trouble if I have to go.
Well, if we go
There's the
left
train.
instead of right.
The train. They actually are running 2 locomotives, and then they have more in the work shed right over there. But we'll give you a little look at the whole train ride. And I believe we actually go inside Twister.
And not big.
We got climbing nets and stuff around the pool. Picnic pavilions. You can see the water slides here in the creek. Yeah, I don't know if you remember 20 years ago when I came back and I was raving about that park in the woods.
Yeah,
This is it.
family park. I could stay here like for a whole week with a nice little hotel.
They've got a campground. You pull up a trailer.
Yeah, but we don't have a trailer.
You can rent a trailer. There's places you can rent trailers. This is Twister we're going under right now.
Yeah, this is
It'd be awesome. Just come here and stay a week. Some of them, I imagine. We got the trading post. This is all part of the campground, so probably. But you see on the left, they've got all sorts of trailers and RVs.
Yeah, we saw that.
Hey, look, it's another train. Oh, frick. Steam tractor. One pine tree. So it looks like some of these homes are rentals out here. I'm guessing vacation rentals. And out into the middle of the woods. Yep. And I'm sure some of these are vacation homes. Yep. Boy, Silver Dollar City, we like to tell you we take you in the woods, but they're really taking us into the woods.
I love it, George. Oh my goodness. They have residents. We are right off of the city. But the heights, stuff even like Steve.
of the campground here. There's picnic benches stacked up over there. This might even be maintenance sheds. Then you can see RVs. That would be an amazing way to visit here. To get an RV or something like that and just stay there for a week. And here is Twister in all her glory. Including the brake shed. And that is actually the line right here in the middle of the structure. And she has almost no line. There is no weight on Twister. I may try and jog over here for that. We should be passing another train here pretty soon. I think I just heard a whistle. More picnic grounds. And we're kind of waiting because the other train hasn't cleared yet. And now you can see the other engine that's not running as well. I love how all three engines look different. There's a good look at the red one. And then look at this guy. And you can also see maintenance engines in there as we come back into the park. So here's more history of the park, and this is all over by the Black Diamond Mine. But check out these old train cars. Those look a little warm. How cool are these?